Welcome everyone to this video on another knife. Got this yesterday, local shop. It's the UMAREX Elite Force EF710, as you can see there. It's a fixed blade, full tang, survival, well not really survival knife, just a, you know, just a knife really. Got bushes and whatnot with it. It's made by UMAREX. It's Elite Force branded. Nice knife, love the knife actually. This is the other Elite Force knife I have, and it's also very nice. So good track record for this brand. The knife obviously comes with a sheath, as you can see, a nice nylon sheath. Very well made. It feels really nice. A nice Elite Force branding on it there as well. I'll actually angle that up so you can see it a bit better. Overall very sturdy, great design in the sheath. It's got a wee belt loop here as well, so you can hold it in your waist. That pretty much sums up the sheath. Let's get on to the main product. So there's two variants of it. There's an orange one, well, an orange handle with a stainless steel blade, and just the black handle, black blade. That's the one I got because like, pretty much all my knives are black, so I wanted it to keep with the theme. That's the word. Keep with the theme. This one, well, I mean all of them really. This version, the EF710, it's a blade steel is 440C. Obviously, like I said, full tang. You can see it right down the center there. I might actually move out. Now let me move this light over a bit, just so it's like directly above everything. You can see it a bit better. But yeah, full tang, as you can see, all the way down the handle as well. Is the blade, the bit of metal that the blade's on. It's a spear point blade. The tip of it's a spear point tip. So as you can see, it's sort of like runs up. I mean, it looks like a spear, it's just a little bit thicker down here. So that's what a spear point tip is, right there, as you can see. The handle is made of polymer, so it's pretty solid handle. Very ergonomic, nice little grip there. See the divots for the finger in there, back here and here. And it's also got a wee, not serration, but like textured grip here for where your thumb goes. You also put it on the back of the blade itself to get more purchase. I was cutting some branches earlier with it. I was doing some gardening, that's what I'm trying to say. And this really helps get the purchase on like a tough branch. Not branch, it was thorns that I was cutting. But yeah, really great. It's got a wee loop here, well, hole anyway, for a loop. So you can put like, I don't know, a carabiner or something in it and attach it to you. Its total length is 23 centimeters. So 230 millimeters, obviously. The blade length is 107 millimeters. Obviously 10.7 centimeters. I don't know if I need to say that. I probably don't. I'm probably able to change millimeters to centimeters, but you know. Actually, I'm just noticing this is a different variation of the one I was looking at. This is a 440A steel in this one. So it's not the C, it's the A that I've got, but not too much of a difference really. It's incredibly sturdy, obviously because it's full tang. That's why if I'm gonna get a proper like out in the open cutting branches gardening knife, I'm gonna get a full tang knife. I'm not gonna use like a lock knife, even though they are good. But especially if it's a flip knife that doesn't have a lock, that's even more dangerous. But yeah, no, full tang all the way because of how sturdy it is and whatnot. Very good. It's obviously you got the triangular hole here. Like I said, as you know, you can just hook it on. It's got screws here, Allen key screws on either side. So if you do want to buy a handle for this, you can do that. It would probably need to match this exact. So you probably need to buy another Elite Force knife handle, or another Elite Force knife and just mix and match the handle. Like the steel one with the black handle, that looked pretty cool, I reckon. This one was £25, so I don't know what it is in dollars really. Future me can do the conversion on that. And the orange one was £30, so yeah, £5 of a difference for a stainless steel blade and orange handle. Overall, great knife. I would give it probably an 8 out of 10. I'd say 7, but I feel like 7's too low, because it is Elite Force and it is incredibly well made. It's just a knife, you know. Does what it needs to do. Cut through the branch. I keep saying branches. It wasn't branches. It's like, I don't know. I'll put up an image on the screen here, right here. But yeah, great knife. If you're looking for an outdoors knife, I would recommend this. It's a good knife. Works. I'd probably go for the stainless steel. This is just because I keep them on the wall mainly. I'd probably also go for the stainless steel and orange handle one if you're going to go into like a forest with it or something, because if you drop it, this is going to be hard to see. But yeah, overall, great knife. I would recommend it. 7 out of 10, well no, 8 out of 10, alright, I would say 7.5 out of 10 is what I'd give it. And I don't have a link to buy it because the place I bought it is a local shop, so I'm not about to dox myself. But you can probably get it. Well, actually, no, yeah, I do have a link. In fact, hang on. There's a site called Bushmasters. No, not Bushmasters. Bushwear.co.uk. You can get it on there. That's where you can get it. 20 quid as well, 5 or cheaper. But yeah. Great knife. Good knife. Love Elite Force. Second one I've got, and I'll be getting more in the future. So yeah. Hopefully this was informative. Hopefully it persuaded you to get this knife. If it did, then I mean, I'm not really making anything off of it, but you know, Elite Force if you want to sponsor. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. What I make, I don't even know what it's going to be, to be honest, but yeah, bye.